Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't, 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 don't.
Na 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 na, na 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 na. Hey. Sunrise steady, no hurry. Teach me lesson of its own. Nature move without demand. Show me how to understand. Me used to rush, chase the clock, till me spirit hit roadblock. Then me slow observe me flow. Start to see what me didn't know. Tree no rush fi brutal, still it reach above us all. Me learn life no sprint or race, it reward natural pace. Me see them burn out chasing more, lose themself at final score. Enough become never enough when you move life too rough. Me choose steady, me choose calm, balance keep me safe from harm. Me nah lag, me nah behind, me just moving rhythm time, natural pace. Steady stride, no need hide, no need hide. Natural pace, slow and sure, enjoy. Me breathe deep before me speak, think before me leap. Me build life brick by brick, not overnight trick. Every day add little strength, growth respect its length. Me no envy who run fast, me no speed no make you last. Me trust process, trust the way. Every seed bloom on day when dog whisper your name. Me answer everything on day. Natural pace, steady stride, walk with pride. Natural pace, come and true, carry through. As the sun sets same as rise, nearly by nature time. Oh, sound speak louder than this. Silence show me truth face to face. Me sit still, me mind slow down. Hear answers no crowd can drown. Them love nice, them love show, but real depth move flow. Silence teach me how to be here, but heart say when mind clear. Me learn self when alone, not through phone or microphone. When the night's finally gone, truth remain, carry on. Me watch thoughts come and go, some me keep, some me let go. Silence strip illusion beer, show me what me carry there. Me face doubts me hide away, me forgive self day by day. Growth happen off the stage, far from spotlight and rage. Truth in a silence, strong and deep, not asleep. Truth in a silence, calm and real, more than feel. Truth in a silence. Me yearn explain, rain explain. Silence now empty, it full of sign. Only rush man can't find. Me no need show it to be heard. Some power live beyond word. Me protect quiet time with care. Cause me spirit healing there. When world heavy heart confused, silence never misuse. It sharp focus, soften pain, clear me brain. In the part between the deed, life feel complete. Truth in a silence, strong and deep. Others sleep. Truth in a silence, calm and real. On and feel. Truth in a silence. So when the nights too much for pain, we turn to silence. After storm and heavy rain, me still remain not untouched but unbroken. Truth spoken, me been tested more than once. Fall down hard, still bounce. Me lose things, me thought me need. Gain wisdom instead indeed. Every setback carve me share. Teach me how to escape. Me see them quit when road gets steep. Fear run deep, but me learn strength now load boss. It whisper hold on most. Me take hit, me take blow. Still me roots refuse let go. Still standing, head and high. Ask me why. Still standing, firm and true. After all me been through, me forgive past, me forgive pain. Drop the weight, break the chain. Me no perfect, me aware. Still me move with care. Me scars not shame me face. And mark me pace. Me no claim crown or throne. Victory me own. Standing here already win. Proof winning. Not because me never fall, but because me rise from all. Still standing, head held high. See me high. Still standing, rooted strong. Alive. Evening falls off on the town. Night still loud, but me calm down. Me breathe deep, let clench and go. Find me balance, nice and slow. Words spin fast, everybody rush. Too much pressure, too much push. Them shout opinion, them shout fear. But me listen inward, crystal clear. Me learn peace now loud or bright. It whisper low in a quiet night. When the storm rage wild and strong, me still stand. Slay the lamb, we see anger burn like fire dry, but calm water pass it by. Know every war deserve a fight. Some battles won in silent might. Me not deny pain or wrong, but me choose calm to carry on. Mind stay sharp when heart stay cool. That alone a powerful tool. Calm over chaos, choose me way. Peace lead me through the day. Calm over chaos, strong and true, nothing them can do. Me talk soft, but me words them wait. Truth arrive when you're not hate. Me no rush judgment pon no soul. Every story got unseen role. Me see people tired, wanting, fighting war deep within. Me chant calm like gentle rain, wash away some of the pain. Me protect me peace like sacred ground. No random energy pass around. Me select carefully who me hear. What me feed me mind and ear. Calm now weakness, calm now fear. It mean me vision sharp and clear. When we're loud and our feel small, silence help we stand tall. Calm over chaos, choose me way. Peace led me through the day. Calm over chaos, firm and bright, me won't as the night close and day unwind. As the night close and day unwind. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Me roll me thought them in a paper tin. Let the reasoning begin. No crowd noise, no fake display. Just truth and urban time for stay. High grade burn, but my mind stay clear. Elevation, not mere cheer. Me nah bun fi boss our style. Me bun fi reason sit a while. Words them careful, slow and wise. Smoke open inner eyes. Every topic we're like scale. Truth prevail, ego fail. Them use the herb fi run and hide, but me use it fi look inside. Me ask hard question, no disguise. Why man suffer? Why man rise? Smoke no answer but reveal what me heart already feel. High grade no loaded calm, like cool rain pan heated palm. High grade reasoning tonight, lift the mind above the fight. High grade reasoning so deep, awake the soul from restless sleep. High grade reasoning tonight, lift the mind above the fight. High grade reasoning so deep, awake the soul from restless sleep. See brethren laugh and share, circle built from honest care. Me roll me thought them in a paper tin. Let the reasoning begin. No crowd noise, no fake display. Just truth and urban time for stay. High grade burn but me mind stay clear. Elevation not mere cheer. Me nah bun fi boss our style. Me bun fi reason sit a while. Words them careful, slow and wise. Smoke open in our eyes. Every topic we like scale. Truth prevail, ego fail. Them use the earth fi run and hide, but me use it fi look inside. Me ask hard question, no disguise. Why man suffer? Why man rise? Smoke no answer but reveal what me heart already feel. High grade no loaded calm, like cool rain pan eat it palm.
High grade reasoning tonight. Lift the mind above the fight. High grade reasoning so deep.
Awake the soul from restless sleep.
High grade reasoning tonight. Lift the mind above the fight. High grade reasoning so deep.
Awake the soul from restless sleep. Me see brethren laugh and share. Circle bill from honest care. No loud mouth, no empty talk. Each word walk where thought can walk. Herb no turn man foolish. Expose who truly foolish. If your heart clean, mind aligned. Smoke just amplify the sign. Me bun one draw, then pause and think. Before me speak, before me link. Silence teach me more than sound. Truth hide where calm is found. Reasoning no rush fi win. It sit with doubt till light step in. High grade keep me humble, grounded. Never lost, never bounded. No addiction, no escape. Just conscious use, correct shape. Urban mind in equal role. Balance keep the whole man whole.
High grade reasoning tonight. Lift the mind above the fight. High grade reasoning so deep.
Awake the soul from restless sleep.
High grade reasoning tonight.
High grade,
Lift the mind above the fight.
high grade,
High grade reasoning so deep.
high grade. High grade,
Reasoning tonight.
high grade.
Reasoning so deep.
When the paper ash turn gray, me still all the words we say. Reasoning linger long after smoke. Truth remain no joke. Ay ay ay. Ay ay ay. Ay ay ay. Ay ay ay. Footstep echo on gravel slow. Old road rhythm start to flow. Dust pan boot, sun pan skin. Ancient journey me walk again. Me nah follow crowd or trend. Me follow path we never been. Old road carved by time and pain. Still it teach me how to stand. Ganja scent mixed with dirt and sweat. Memory me can't forget. Every mile me walk alone, but me spirit full grown. Them pave new road with shiny sign, but them forget the old design. Old road rough but it honest. Tell your truth, no promise. Me blaze one spliff and keep me pace. feel the rhythm in a me bass. Each step heavy, but it's sure. All road make me endure. All road rhythm beat so slow, carry me where me feet go. All road rhythm rough but true. Every stone remember you. Missy footprints fade and cross. Some man win, some man lost. Me no judge the way them trod. Every soul answer to God. Herb smoke drift cross sunset line. Tell me patience conquer time. All road teach me one main thing. Slow steps still reach everything. When night drop and stars appear, all road voice me start to hear. It say, all faith no rush the end. Every bend birth new friend. Me sit me blaze, me give thanks for the cracks and broken planks. All road still under me feet. Every scar make journey sweet. No shortcut to the truth. All road feed the youth. Dust and herb and steady breath. Teach me life, not fear of death. All road rhythm beat so slow, carry me where me feet go. All road rhythm rough but true. Every stone remember you. When me reach the end one day, all road still in me way. Even when me rest me feet, its rhythm still beat. Its rhythm still beat. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na na. Bible pan table, urban and two things them always understand. Word and smoke in harmony. Ancient psalm and remedy. Me read one line, me take one drop. Words open door, me never saw. Scripture breathe when smoke pass through. Old text start, feel brand new. Me not twist it, word for pride. Me let it speak from inside. Smoke slow down, me racing mind. So meaning me can truly find. Some man pray loud, some man shout. Me pray silent, inward route. Herb no replace, faith or trust. It just remove the mental rust. Me chant salmanda, breath so low. Let the echo gently flow. Smoke rise like incense stream. Carry prayer beyond mid-dream. Smoke and psalms inna the night. Calm the heart, adjust the sight. Smoke and psalms, all and true. Word and herb, pull me through. Me no preach for crowd applause. Me read fi learn Jah laws. Herb teach patience, text teach love. Both point me up above. When doubt knock on me door, me read one verse, then blaze one more. Clarity, return again, like cool rain, pan thirsty men. Me see religion turn to show, but faith grow best when it's slow. Smoke no holy, book no magic, but heart sincere, make both effective. Me walk humble, no claim throne, just seek truth for me own. Smoke hype. Just quiet, truth me type. Urban word in balance roll. Discipline, preserve the soul. Smoke and psalms in the night. Calm the heart, adjust the sight. Smoke and psalms, all and true. Word and herb, pull me through. When the candle burn out low and the smoke got nowhere go, psalms still echo in me head. Guide me steps, where me tread. Yeah, yeah. Yet ya join me beside a makos. Yeah, yeah. Yet ya join me. Yet ya join me beside a makos.
Rasta man is so high, man.
Me sit beside the flowing stream. Just show me vision in a dream. Water whisper ancient song, me spirit strong. Every drop a healing prayer. Love fill the air, me close me eye, me soul align. Flowing Zion time me walk. Long road of faith and fight. Search for truth, find light. Them tell me hope done gone, but me still hold on. Me see the tears from people face. Them searching grace, yet the river wash them pain. Life again. Me see the children play by shore. Laugh forevermore. Them not know the chains before. Them born for soar. The river carry story deep. Secrets Jah keep. Every ripple chant his name. Eternal flame. River of Zion, flow through me soul, make me heart whole. Carry me spirit to the light, wash away night. River of Zion, gentle and strong, right all wrong. Flow through the land of man, part of Jah plan. Me dip me hand in sacred stream. Feel Jah redeem, water cold but fire burn. Truth return, me see reflection, see me pass. Fade at last, Jah mercy deep like ocean wide. Love inside, me follow river through the plain. Through joy and pain, it led me home to holy place. Full of grace, the fish them swim, the birds them sing. Creation king, all life flow one way same. Jah name. Me no fear, no drought, no storm. River keep me warm, from the mountain to the sea. Jah carry me. When me weak, me call his song. It make me strong. River of Zion, flow through me soul, make me heart whole. Carry me spirit to the light, wash away night. River of Zion, gentle and strong, right all wrong. Flow through the land of man, part of Jah plan. Eternal friend, Jah truth like water clear, always near. Me rise, me bow, me give Jah praise for the endless days. River of Zion run forevermore, me heart secure. Hey.
sun arise, me roll up the first one. Me give thanks to Jah, me day just begun. No rush, no stress, inna me lane. Me draw the wisdom fi cool me brain. Cali green, Jamaican strain. Heal the soul, take away the pain. It's not just smoke, it's prayer in disguise. Lift me higher, open me eyes, one draw. And me soul elevate. Me no need fast life or high state. One draw, and the spirit align. Herb teach truth, deep inna me mind. One draw, and me chant and with the breeze, me heart beat like drum. One draw, and me find me peace. Herbs of wisdom, never cease. Me sip me tea, straight from the leaf. No chemicals, no kind of thief. Me garden full, me vibes stay fresh. Me wrap up love in a coconut flesh. Meditation by the riverside. Me take me time, me no hide. The world can spin, but me stay firm. Me blaze and learn, me reason and discern. Me no chase sight, me live for light. Me rest when moon come rise, when bright the herb. Me guide the chant, me shield. Me step on life like sacred field. Me chant for youth when last I'm blind. Me blaze for the stuck in a Babylon mind. Me light it up for unity, call one flame, one love rise over all. One draw and me flow through time. Me see the system and me skip the crime. One draw and me spirit sing. Me feel the joy of natural thing. One draw and me no go low. Me hold the fire when the cold wind blow. One draw, me find your way. Each breath a prayer, me light each day. Me pack me bag with just a pipe. Me roam the hills, the energy right. Me meet elders with stories for days. Them talk about love and ancient ways. Them say Rasta man must walk in light, even when the world move out of sight. Use the herb fi open the path, and take each moment like sacred bath. It's not stars blaze and vibes me king. It's how you live and what you bring. Herb is fi heal, not fi waste. Me burn it slow, me take me taste. Babylon say it wrong, me say them lie, cause me see truth when me reach high. Me see the matrix and me step aside. Me trod with love and smoke me guide. One draw and me rise again. Me give thanks for the healing rain. One draw and me chant for peace. Me soul find love, me heart release. One draw and me give Jah praise. Me light shine bright in darkest days. One draw and me find me way. Me roots deep down where the ancients stay. Open your mind.
Me step up on a hillside path. Quiet breeze begin to laugh. Sunshine touch the grassy line. Tell me steady, take your time. Me see farmers at the break of dawn, straighten rows across the lawn. They move with harmony so sweet. Each footstep set a gentle beat. A woman on my soft refrain. Ease the labor, soothe the strain. Her melody surround the field. Nature's art become revealed. A shepherd watch him gentle herd. Call them with a simple word. Me stand beside him for a while. Feel the peace behind the smile. He said this'll teach gratitude. Shape your heart and fix your mood. Me breathe the message calm and slow. Let its healing start to flow. Harvest of the silent hills. Feed the soul and cure the ills. Bring the joy so clean and pure. make the weary spirit sure. Silent hills in calm embrace, hold the people with their grace. Harvest all the truth them give, learn the humble way to live. Children gather herbs so bright, each one glowing in the light. Them laugh and cheer them like smile gold, precious stories being told. A drum atop a steady tone, echo roll like polished stone. Me feel the rhythm through me chest, find me spirit truly blessed. Evening falling calm return, fires within the village burn. People sit around the flame, calling each by loving name. Me watch the sparks escape and glide, lift the worries from inside. Silent hills stand tall and clear, guard the hearts them hold so dear. Sit in stillness, breathe it deep, let the hillside secret sip. Every echo, every sigh, lift your vision to the sky. Harvest of the silent hills, feed the soul and cure the ills. Bring the joy so clean and pure, make the weary spirit sure. Silent hills in calm embrace, hold the people with their grace. Harvest all the truth them give, learn the humble way to live. So when life feel heavy still, walk again up to the hill. Silent wisdom call your name, guide you with its gentle flame.
Ay, ay, ay. Smoke with classic and Rasta man. Saya. Me digging a me hand, down inna the ground. Beer sweat gas, heartbeat sound. From the soil come life again. Wash away the pain. Every seed a story told of love old. Roots are grow beneath me feet. Riddim beat. Me see the chains of olden day, them still there in a modern way. Them use the media, use the lie, fi blind the eye. But me no bow, me no yield. Jah me shield, me plant me truth in fertile land. With Jah hand, me see the youth, them searching still, fi break the system's will. Them tired of the poison talk, them ready fi walk. Roots of freedom start to spread from every dread. It rise through pain, it rise through flame. Jah reclaim. Roots of freedom grow and rise, break through the lies. From the ashes come the bloom, light up the gloom. Light up the gloom. Roots of Svetka, deep and strong. Right what gone wrong, inna the earth Jah wisdom live. Love forgive, love forgive. Me feel the wind blow through the leaves, through Jah weave. Them try cut down the sacred tree, but Jah decree. Each root whole, memory strong, an ancient song. Freedom no just come by word, it must be heard. It must be heard. Saya. Me see the elders gather round, feet firm on ground. Them teach the youths fi plant again. Rain after rain. Them say hold firm, don't lose faith. Freedom create, roots connect with
we all as one under the sun. Under the sun. No fire can burn it down, no king, no crown. Roots of freedom live forever. Bound by Jah River, it twist and turn through every heart, never part. It's high. Roots of freedom grow and rise, break through the lies. From the ashes come the bloom, light up the gloom. Light up the gloom. Roots of Svetka, deep and strong. Right what gone wrong. Inna the earth Jah wisdom live. Love forgive. Love forgive. Yeah. Roots of freedom, eternal flame. Call Jah name. Through the struggle, through the fight. Hold the light. Hold the light. So when me gone, me roots remain. Through joy and pain, freedom grow from seed of love.
Aye, aye, aye. One love, one people, yeah, man. Me wake the spirit from the past. Roots revival come at last. Drum and bass start for roll. Jah purify my soul. Me walk the path me ancestors trod. Each step guided by God. Me feel the pain, me feel the pride. Me carry Jah inside. Them chain can't bind the truth. Rebel fire of youth. Me chant me hymn for change. The whole world rearrange. Me say the struggle still remain, but love erase the pain. Me plant the seed for peace and growth. Me live my oath. No silver, no gold me need. Only Jah my creed. Me heart strong like lion roar. Rasta forevermore. Yeah, roots revival rise. See the fire in our eyes. Jah wisdom ancient and deep. My soul jockey. Roots revival strong. Chant of Zion song. My spirit reborn tonight. Guided by Jah light. Me feel the wind from Africa. Whisper say remember ya. Bloodline strong, my history clear. My ancestors here. Drum echo from the ground. Revolution sound. Me see the youths awake and proud. Me chant them loud. Them carry truth and fire. The future them inspire. The system can't blind no more. We open door. Roots revive, the time is now. Rasta take the vow. One nation, one heart, one soul. Jah make we walk. Yeah, roots revive, alright. See the fire in our eyes. Jah wisdom ancient and deep. My soldier keep. Roots revival strong. Chant of Zion song. My spirit reborn tonight. Guided by Jah light. So when the drums start play again, remember where we've been. Roots revival carry on till the morning come. Aye, aye, aye. Reggae of Zion, King, yeah, man.
Early morning dew pa me locks. Me step barefoot over river rocks. Me path narrow, but me soul wide. Me carry Jah light pon the inside. Me chant psalms from me hardcore. Rhythm guide me like never before. Each step a prayer, each breath divine. Me walking through me life, align this a sacred journey. No map fi read, me follow intuition, not Babylon greed. Herb in a pocket, truth in a song. Me trod this road where soul belong. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. Me only want love in Jah name. Sacred journey, Rasta man way. One love a lead me every day, yeah. Missy mountain, missy valley, me pass city and small alley. Some try test I throw me shade, but Jah give I strength. Me never afraid. Me humble like lion, who know him power. Me rise like sun, hour by hour. Me reason with trees, me dance with breeze. Me find peace in roots melodies. Me meditate under blue sky. Question life but never ask why. Cause every leaf and drop of rain teach I something fi ease the pain. Me nah compete, me nah chase clock. Time nah real pan Rasta rock. Me just move steady, slow and true. Jah carry me, me carry you. This a sacred journey, no map fi read. Me follow intuition, not Babylon greed. Herb in a pocket, truth in a song. Me trod this road where soul belong. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. Me only want love and Jah name. Sacred journey, Rasta man way. One love a lead me every day, yeah. Me meet elders on me trail. Them share wisdom like holy grail. Them say Rasta youth, keep your fire. Burn them lies, rise up higher. Me chant rhythm under moonlight. Stars blink like them know I fight. Me path long but me vision clear. Me know Zion soon draw near. So if you're lost, just look inside. Jah compass there, fi be your guide. No need fi fear, no need fi rush. Just feel the earth, feel Jah touch. We all depend. Sacred ride, some slow, some quick. Some try hide, but truth call I like drumming breeze. Come walk with I, come find peace. It's a sacred journey, no map fi read. Me follow intuition, not Babylon greed. Herb in a pocket, truth in a song. Me trod this road where soul belong. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. Me only want love and Jah name. Sacred journey, Rasta man way. One love a lead me every day.
Aye, aye, aye. Zion Reggae, man. Hear the thunder shake the land. Voice of Jah, his mighty hand, echo deep across the plain. Thunder break the wicked chain. Every mountain start to move. Thunder speak the righteous truth. Babylon tremble, kingdom fall. Thunder rise above it all. Lightning flash and rivers glow. Thunder let the whole world know. Prophet hear the holy sound. Thunder shake the solid ground. No more silence, no disguise. Thunder open blinded eyes. Every echo pure and bright. Thunder prove Jah holy might. Strong. Thunder chant the Zion song. Every strike a sacred sign. Thunder mark the will divine. Darkness scatter, night is gone. Thunder guide the morning sun. Every heart begin to see. Thunder bring the victory. Try to hide away. Thunder still declare the day. Walls collapse, the towers fall. Thunder judgment reach them all. Every lie and every scheme. Thunder break it like a dream. Echo loud both far and near. Thunder say the truth is here. Generations lift the hand. Thunder sweep across the land. Everlasting, bold and free. Thunder sing eternity. Voice eternal, sound so pure. Thunder truth will still endure. Glorious echo, strong and bright. Thunder shine Jah holy light. Boom, boom, mighty tone. Thunder never stand alone. Rise, rise, voice of flame. Thunder glorify Jah name. Thunder in the valley, pure and strong. Shake the earth with holy song. Never silent, never still. Thunder move by Jah will. Forever roaring, bold and free. Thunder sing the prophecy. Me sit and watch the colors rise. Hope stretch wide across the skies. Me see the fishermen row out slow, casting nets where currents flow. Them move with rhythm, old and wise, reading waves like sacred signs. A youth beside me sketch the dawn, capture light before it's gone. He tell me dreams flow like tide. Hold them strong and let them guide. By the river bank me hear a choir,
sweet. Lift the spirit, soothe the heat. An elder beat a hollow drum while children sway as beats become a dance for joy, a dance for life. Carve away the inner strife. River of bright tomorrow flow, carry strength where burdens grow. Wash away the heavy fear, bring new blessings ever near. River shining wide and free, hold the truth for you and me. Guide the people day by day, show them peace along the way. Sunrise paint the hills in gold, stories whispered ancient old. A farmer bent to plant anew, say every seed know what to do. Me feel the meaning settle down like gentle rain upon the ground. River on my healing tune, soft as breeze beneath the moon. Evening come with glowing red, birds return to riverbed. Villagers walk hand in hand, share calm moments upon the land. The river mirror every soul, make the broken pieces whole. Me give thanks for light it bring, hope in every ripple sing. Let the current clear your mind, leave the shadows far behind. Flow with courage, flow with cheer, better days are always near. River of bright tomorrow flow, carry strength where burdens grow. Wash away the heavy fear, bring new blessings ever near. River shining wide and free, hold the truth for you and me. Guide the people day by day, show them peace along the way. So when dark clouds start to rise, look to where the river lies. Hold the hope it always lend, better days around the bend.
Night breeze roll across the plain, cool like early winter rain. Lanterns glow upon the track, light the way for those who back. A merchant on a wandering tune, underneath the rising moon. He tell me tales from far and near, lessons carved from giant fear. Me listen deep to every line, feel his wisdom intertwined. Each word shine like burning coal, igniting something in me soul. Me pass a painter by the well, mixing colors that rebel. She said free your heart with shade, life is art in all we've made. Her canvas glow with crimson fire, shapes of courage, thoughts inspire. Me see our spirit bold and pure, driven by a dream secure.
Yeah, guide me,
Lanterns of the open road,
guide me
through each heavy load.
Shine, Lord,
Shine your truth beside me feet,
make me,
long path feel complete.
yeah, guide me,
Lanterns whisper soft and bright,
keep the
darkness out of sight.
lead me,
Where the blessings grow,
help
of past mistakes. Show the path through learning takes. Me not done hold each face inside. Let them be me in a guide. Lanterns glow with patient fire. Lead me steps as dreams aspire. Walk with courage, walk with grace. Let the lantern light your pace. Every shadow fade away when the truth begin to stay. Yeah, guide me, lanterns of the open road. Guide me, guide me through each heavy load. Shine your truth beside me feet. Make the long path feel complete. Yeah, guide me, lanterns whisper soft and bright. Keep the darkness out of sight. Lead me where the blessings grow. Help me find the peace me know. And when night feel long and cold, follow where the lanterns hold. They will lead you step by step to the peace your soul is kept. Yeah. Oh.
Na 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 na. Na na na. Na na na. Na na na. Oh no no. First light crack through mountain crest. Warm breeze kiss me from the west. The morning flame begin to rise. Spread its blessing through the skies. In the village dancers wake. Beat the drums with joy we make. Them circle wide in bright attire. Moving like one living fire. A storyteller clear his throat. Send the ancient tales afloat. Me listen close to every word. Magic in the stories heard. Me walk the trail where flowers bloom. Sweet aroma chase the gloom. A healer mix a sacred brew. Say keep your mind and body true. Her touch so calm, her voice so clear. She chase away me hidden fear. She say each dawn bring chance fi grow. Walk with purpose, walk with glow. Hey, children of the morning flame, rise and call the new day's name. Lift your voice and spread the cheer. Push aside the doubt and fear. Morning flame so pure and bright. Guide we hearts through day and night. Carry wisdom, carry peace. Let the ancient rhythm release. Me see a craftsman carving wood, turning roots to something good. He shape a lion bold and strong, symbol for the people long. He tell me strength live deep inside. Let your bravery be your guide. Me feel his words ignite a spark. Light me path through even dark. As midday heat begin to climb. Village moving patient time. Children laugh beneath the trees, cooling in the gentle breeze. Elders talk with humble tone. Wisdom in every breath them own. Morning flame still burning high, painting brightness across the sky. Rise with courage, rise with might.
Let your inner flame ignite. Carry truth in all you do. Let the fire shine from you. Hey. Children of the morning flame, rise and call the new day's name. Raise the noise and spread the cheer. Push aside the doubt and fear. Oh yeah, morning flame so pure and bright. Oh yeah, guide we hearts through day and night. Oh yeah, carry wisdom, carry peace. Let the ancient rhythm release. And when the daylight start to fade, hold the flame your spirit made. Morning blessings stay inside. Be your compass, be your guide.
Aye, aye, aye. Rastafari's in the jungle. Aye, 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 da, 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 da. Aye, 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 da, 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 da. Ah, hey, silver streams flow from the stone. Rivers sing a righteous tone. Washing scars from ancient days, carry souls in holy ways. No more thirst, the drought is gone. River chant the freedom song. Flow eternal, wide and deep. Rivers guard the truth we keep. Da 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 da. Underneath the morning sun, river blessing everyone. Cool the fire, cleanse the land. River guided by Jahan. No corruption, no decay. River wash them all away. Every nation bow and see. River flow for unity. Da 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 da. Mountains bow before its tide. River strong and sanctified. Fisherman upon the shore. Hear the water speak once more. Secrets carried to the sea. River whisper prophecy. Every current pure and bright. River flow with joy delight. Da 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 da. Through the valley, through the plain. River heal the earth from pain. Roots them drink, the flowers grow. River teach what we must know. Babylon fortress fade to sand. River claim the holy land. Voices rise, the chant is clear. River say the truth is near. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Gather round. River make the holy sound. Everlasting, strong and free. River guide eternity. No more sorrow, no more fight. River shine the morning light. Flowing forward, never end. River rise, the soul transcend. Flow, flow, mighty stream. Carry on the righteous dream. Shine, shine, crystal bright. River guide the holy light. Rivers of redemption wide and pure. Carry truth that will endure. Flow forever, never still. River move by Jah will. Strong and endless, bold and free. Rivers bring the victory.